beauties, how are you doing? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you guys are doing well, and I hope you enjoyed today's video by subscribing, and always make sure that you click the bell so that anytime I upload the video, you are the first one to know. Today we will be doing a summer glam. It's summer, it's hot, we are sweating. We definitely don't want too much of makeup on our face, but at the same time we want to glam ourselves, okay? So today I'm going to show you how you can effortlessly do your makeup or do your glam without putting too much makeup, okay? So without wasting much time, let's get into the video. First thing first, you want to make sure that your skin is well moisturized, is nourished, is cleansed, and all the things, okay? I'm going to show you what I've been using. Neutrogena Hydro Boost Serum. Guys, it is actually treating my skin so well, and it's almost finished, you know? So I just give it like 1 or 2 pumps. It's actually enough because my skin is already moisturized, so I don't need a lot. I don't need a lot, okay? This is actually the best base for your makeup. This is going to help you achieve that effortless glam without you putting too much foundation, because we put too much foundation because we didn't prep our skin, or we want to like hide a lot of things, okay? So if you have cleansed your skin, even if you have pimples or those dark spots like I do, as long as your skin is fine, you will not feel the need to put too much product on your skin. Next step, I do my brows. I'm using this Usha's brow soap. Almost finishing also. I just spray. You can spray water, okay? Just using setting spray just to activate the soap. And this spoolie that I'm using, this one, is actually a mascara brush. I didn't have a spoolie, and there was a mascara that was finished, and I just washed the brush just like that. I have a spoolie. Next, we are applying our foundation, and I'll be using this Passion Labs Matte Cover Liquid Foundation. I got this from Discam and Scentin. I don't know if other Discams have it already, but that's where I got it. I love this foundation because it doesn't give too much coverage, which is what we're looking for, because we are doing summer glam and we don't want too much product, okay? So this is why I like this foundation. Look at it, it's runny, okay? So it means it's not gonna cover up our skin as much as, you know, other foundations do. Just spread the foundation on your brush and apply like this. Go in. The aim is not to cover up anything, okay? The aim of summer glam is just to enhance your beauty. You're already beautiful, but you just wanna like level up, enhance that beauty, okay? So you don't have to worry about pimples showing or dark spots showing or anything showing. As long as you are glammed up and you feel good, that's what matters. And I find that this is actually the most realistic way of doing your makeup, especially when you are going to work or you are rushing somewhere. Honestly, you don't have full hour just to do your makeup. So using foundations like this, BB creams, or just going light on your foundation, it even helps you to speed up the process. Just like that, you are done applying foundation. Next step, I like to go in with my Creamy blush. I got this from a Chinese beauty store, guys. It's orange. I love orange. Just using the same foundation brush. Oh, look at that. I love the pigmentation. Go in. This is like my base blush. I also like to come under my eye just to give a sunset vibes. Next, we are taking our palette. This is very handy. You're gonna need it, trust me. And you're just gonna use the ivory shade. It's like natural to other people, but to me it's slightly lighter than my skin shade, just to set my makeup. And I'm gonna go in with the sponge and I'm gonna set my makeup like this. Next, we are going in again with our palette. This time we are contouring and we'll be using Cappuccino just to contour. So I contour my forehead because I don't want my makeup to look flat, you know, when it's just like boring. Yeah. So contouring on your forehead or contouring in general will elevate your makeup. Next, we are coming in again to continue contouring, but this time we are contouring our nose. I love contouring my nose a lot. If you don't know how to contour, just start your contouring from your brow or join your contouring from your brow, just like I'm doing, just like this, you know, just in case you're still learning how to. But anyway, I prefer doing it this way. We are then coming in with the natural shade. This one is exactly my shade, or close to my shade, to sort of like now bring in the color. I no longer bake, guys. I don't use banana powders anymore. I still have them though, just in case it finishes. So after setting, this is like my baking powder. Shape things up right here. See? After this, I go in with my Revlon mascara. I got it from Clicks Playground. Ooh, messed up my lash there. So when you're doing your lower lashes, you want to make sure that you have cleaned your mascara so much, because you can do a mistake if the product is too much on the brush, okay? Just clean it. Next, we are coming in with our blush, and you just take your contour blush, but I'm using a fluffy brush because I love this brush, okay? Just go in to my purple, is it purple? No, orange. Orange blush. This is just to reinforce your base blush. Oh, I love this. Next, I'm going in with my lip liner. It's blunt because anytime I try to sharpen it, the pencil breaks. So please forgive me, but you can use any lip liner that you have or eyebrow pencil. Line our lips. When you get to this V, you just want to go a little bit slighter on top. Then we are coming in with our Revlon matte lipstick. Guys, I love it, okay? I love this lipstick. I also got it from Clicks Beauty Playground. I don't know if I'll ever go back to the cheaper ones that I used to use, because this girl, okay? This is the girl that she thinks she is. It's very soft. Yes, it's matte, but it doesn't like sparkle and toad your lips. Okay, that's the beauty of it. Next, we are going to add some glow. and we're using the same brush. There's no need to be using 1,000 brushes, okay? Just to add some sparkles. But don't do too much. Ooh, almost do too much. Oh, I love this. Also, don't forget the nose. Because you have contoured, you're gonna need your nose to stand out, okay? Just like this. I love this. And I think I overdo it just because I love that shiny pink on there. Last step, you wanna set your makeup. And I'm using Rimmel London Finish Fix and Go. It smells delicious. Then I go in with my fan. I got it from Vaseline stand from Clicks Beauty Playground. Just to try. Then let's take out this rod. Take it out. Oh, it didn't curl as I wanted, but it curled. Dihlama phela mona, dihlama. To blend in your blaze with your makeup, okay? I love this. I love. And just like that, we are done. Look at us. We are done. What is your opinion about this look, guys? I feel like I found my signature look. I love this look. I feel very light. Of course, I've applied makeup, but I don't feel like heavy. You know when you've applied makeup and you feel like there's something. I can still scratch my face, obviously like not dramatically scratch it, but I feel like this is it. This is our summer glam. I'm fully glammed and my makeup is not heavy, yet it's giving. It is giving, okay? What you guys think? Did we nail it? Should we stick to this look? I love it. I'm loving it. Woo. Let me just be extra. Let me show you. I'm just gonna be extra. I'm gonna go in with the glow, just to put here. Ah, this is beautiful. Okay, we are done.